Threat to cause bodily harm is how many years?
3 years.
So don't do Facebook video and say that and show knife and all that, machetes and guns. Showing a gun, threat of death. The maximum sentence is 10 years and the minimum is 5 years. So even if the judge shows mercy, you are going in for 5 years. These are threats, the things we say with our mouth, causing fear in someone. If your pastor tells you that you die, on what medical grounds did he say that? Did he base his facts on something? Ages between 19 and 26 are now being put to jail. They are committing various forms of offenses, and that is why this program is very, very important to me. If you know that you are below 16 years, nobody should have sex with you, even if you agree. So what is the name of that offense?
Filming.
Show me your snappy. Show me your cornelly. Show me your number 8. Show me your Kalyppo Juice. Show me your exercise book. Show me your Ashfoam t-shirt. Show me your Foodtech t-shirt. Show me your Foodtech t-shirt.
We love Kalyppo. We love snappy. We love cornelly. We love number 8. Teenage pregnancy cannot deter me. Excessive house chores cannot deter me. Parental negligence cannot deter me. And nothing can change my mind.
What is the name of your school?
St. Joseph RCJ.
Okay, this has been Ohenewaa Advocacy in Schools, and I came to talk to the school children about the laws on domestic and sexual violence. This program is sponsored by Kalyppo Juice, the best beverage for all school children, Foodtech Ltd, producers of healthy snacks for all school children, the exotic snacks and quality snacks. And I'm encouraging parents to buy Foodtech Ltd snacks for school children and then Kalyppo Juice for all school children. The program is also sponsored by Ashfoam Company Limited. They produce students' mattresses, quality mattresses, school beds, school bags, school uniforms, PE kits, and all that. If you want to sponsor this program or invite us to your school, you can call me on 054-8727-983. You can watch our videos on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube on Ohenewaa Human Rights Advocacy. Thank you so much. Good morning to you all.
Good morning, madam.
How are you? I'm also good. My name is lawyer Mary Ohenewaa Afo. I'm here to talk to you about the laws on domestic and sexual violence. Domestic and what? Sexual. And I want you to know about the criminal offenses and their jail terms. This program is sponsored by Foodtech Company Limited, producers of healthy snacks for all school children in Ghana. Okay? So I brought you Snappy from Foodtech. Who is holding Snappy? Show it. Show me those who are holding Snappy. Okay. Then I also brought cornelly. Say it. Say Snappy first. Snappy. Cornelly. And then number 8. Show me your snack. Okay, then I brought you nose masks. Some of you are wearing some from Foodtech. And then exercise books.
My name is Millicent Blankson and I'm in Form 1C. My teacher's name is Madam Evelyn.
Yes.
Violence is the behavior between intimate partners.
You have tried. If your father is always beating you with belts, it is domestic violence. So these are the brilliant students in this school, okay? It's accepted. Okay, they can go. So there are various types of violence. There are various types of violence. We have the verbal, the physical, the economic, and then the psychological. There are they have been categorized as domestic and sexual violence. So these are domestic violence, and for the sexual violence we have rape, defilement, sodomy, and sexual harassment, sexual assault, and all that. Can you mention just one thing that I said? Types of violence, yes. This one is not coming with any drink, or you want a drink? Okay, then it's okay. It's draw. Okay, say it. Say it over there. Okay. No, it's okay. No, I want the we have the physical violence, the verbal, sexual, psychological, or mental, or emotional. So for physical violence, the things we see with our eyes, the physical violence. Has anyone slapped you before?
Yes.
Has anyone caned you before? Yes. So these are forms of physical violence or examples. But in law, it is assault in law. And the punishment for assault is how many years?
3 years.
How many years?
3 years.
So if you slap someone or you fight with your friend, remember that the next stage is arrest by the police. And you may go to jail if you are not lucky. Those who like fighting, most of the underlying elements of abuse is anger. So deal with your anger, okay? So for physical violence, fighting and all that, slapping and all that. Verbal, those who like insulting people. If your parent is always telling you that you are a witch, you are this, you are that, it is verbal abuse. And in all cases of abuse, it ends in psychological damage. It affects your brains. Okay? So tell your parents, tell anyone, tell your teachers not to insult you again, okay? Economic violence, that one, most of you may not know. If your parent deprives you of food or money, or anybody who has to take care of you deprives you of food or anything, and the girls, when you grow up and your husband takes your money, it is economic violence. Or prevents you from working. It is happening to a lot of older women, and it is abuse. So then for the psychological violence, that one is very, very important to me. Okay, threat of harm, threat of death. You putting fear in someone that the person, you kill someone or you harm the person. Threat of death, threat of harm. It's here. Threat to cause bodily harm. It's how many years?
3 years.
So don't do Facebook video and say that make and show knife and all that, machetes and guns. Showing a gun, threat to cause, threat of death. The maximum sentence is 10 years and the minimum is 5 years. So even if you have, the judge shows mercy, you are going in for 5 years. These are threats, the things we say with our mouth. Causing fear in someone. If your pastor tells you that you die, on what medical grounds did he say that? Did he base his facts on something, real evidence? So we must ensure that the young ones get to know about these things without becoming lawyers. Fear of death, fear of harm. These are very, very important. You may just sit in the comfort of your room and send a message to someone. And if the next day the person dies. Murder, those who like fighting, you hit your friend with a stone. Like it happened in Kasua, murder. The punishment for murder is how many years? If you are 17 years and above, you'll be treated as an adult offender. And you may suffer what? Suffer what?
Death sentence.
But once you are below 17 years, you are treated as a juvenile offender. The punishment is a bit, it's not too harsh. It's not death sentence, but it doesn't also give you the authority to kill someone. Okay? So it is very important. It doesn't matter, those who go to the SHS, it doesn't matter whether you are 17 years and you are in SHS. Once you are that age and you kill someone, you will suffer death. Their ages between 19 and 26 are now being put to jail. They are committing various forms of offenses. And that is why this program is very, very important to me. If you know that you are below 16 years, nobody should have sex with you, even if you agree. So what is the name of that offense? One person should just come here. The first person to come here should answer. So come and tell me, if you know you are below 16 years, you are not supposed to have sex with anyone. Climb. Even if you agree. It's called what?
Defilement.
So tell me what you have learned so far.
I learned that we should not insult.
And what else?
And I learned that we should not beat our friends. Or we should not be using words that are no good to our friends.
And sodomy. Say sodomy.
Sodomy.
Unnatural carnal knowledge.
Natural carnal knowledge.
Somebody is putting the men. If a man is putting his what? If a man is putting his penis in your anus, it is against the law. It is 25 years maximum jail term. Even if you agree, it is 3 years maximum. Everything is here. And you are lucky I'm leaving this banner here, and I'm leaving stickers too. Your teachers can paste it anywhere in the school.
And I want to ask whether you threat someone, but you're not the one who killed the person. Could it be that you'll be sent to jail or...
So your question is, if you threaten someone and you are not the one who killed the person, the threat alone, you all know what is happening in the country now. Just threatening somebody that they'll kill the person. Threat alone is an offense under the law. Then say after me, we must report all cases of abuse.
We must report all cases of abuse.
Domestic and sexual violence is against the law.
Domestic and sexual violence is against the law.
We must stop domestic and sexual violence now.
We must stop domestic and sexual violence now.
We must seek justice.
We must seek justice.
Because our right is our right.
Because our right is our right.
When strangers call us, we should not go.
We should not go.
The girls, when we sit in class, we will not open our legs to entice our teachers. We will not go to a male teacher's house. We will not allow anyone to touch our breasts. And we report all cases of abuse to our teachers, to our headmasters and headmistresses, to our parents and our neighbors, and to our family members, so that they can also help us report the matter to the Ghana police.